Not terribly exciting, okay? I'm going to be opening this up. Take a look inside. Got a noisy input jack, making a lot of noise right here. A lot of noise. So I'm going to take it apart, see if I can figure out what's wrong. Here we go. Got this great little dish a student of mine made, circle of fifths, nuts, bolts, screws. This is a Gallien Kruger 800 RB. It's my amp, I really like it. It's got 4 outputs. 2 300 watts, 2 100 watts. Pretty boss. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So, can't really see it very well. But there's definitely some noise happening with this input. I'm going to check the arm. So the way most inputs work, there's an arm that catches the tip of the 1/4 inch jack that you put into it. Sometimes they can get bent back. So I'm going to start by bending that back. I'll test it with a jack here first. Get an eyeball on it, see what I can see, if it's getting a good connection there. It looks okay. I don't want to have to replace it. I hope this will work here. That might have been it. Now it's much tighter. Not a lot of wiggling around there. It's like a leaf spring, and if there's contact where there shouldn't be with that leaf, then that's where the trouble starts. So here, I'll see it. You can kind of see it right there. If it'll focus, maybe it won't. It's a little leaf, you can see it jump out right there. And there's something inside, like in between that piece of metal. So if it's making a connection where it shouldn't, you get a lot of noise. So you want a nice free clear connection there, and I think that's what it was. That arm was just not bent enough. Sorry about the lighting, it's kind of not great. But that might have been it. I was wondering if it was going to be like a bad solder joint, but the joints look good. Now I'm going to put it back together. Just sit back up there and try it out. Here we go. Love this tool. I mean, power tool would be quicker, but this gets the job done in a jiff. Open carry. You hear me now? What are you talking about? Okay. Back together. Plug it in. Stand by. I'll bring you over here, at least point you in this direction in just a second. Man, one thing about bass amp technologies, they definitely have made them lighter in the past 20 years. Let's see here, speaker 400, yeah. Alright. So now, I fixed it. Every time I wiggled this, it made a huge, terrible noise. Every time it moved just slightly, but now it's much firmer, and it was that little arm that was getting in the way. So let's see what this guitar sounds like here. fix the amp. Problem solved. It's one of those things that happens too just through using it. No fault of the amp, no fault of the cord. Just through repetitive use. This is called regulating. You got to regulate your gear every now and then. The arms on your inputs and your outputs. Your output on your guitar can wear out in there. The input on amps, same thing. That arm can wear out. So it's a neat little thing to monitor, to maintain. And if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, happy to do it here for you. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Just a little look inside the repair gig here. Thanks.